What's going on YouTube? This is your boy Richboywayne. Today we're going to do a special video, a special one. We're going to go out and see how much money we can make driving Uber today. So let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, so this is my setup. I keep my what's his name right here, my cell phone right there. Over here I got my tablet along with my lathe. I also have some things in the back here I want to show you guys. So if you look, got some hand sanitizer, got some candy, I got some business cards, and this is pretty much what I offer, you know. This is what I have going. So it's like 50 degrees right now in Nashville, and I gotta lose this coat because it is hot out here. It is very, very hot. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lose this coat real quick. Okay, that's so much better now. Whew. All right, so we're just waiting to get a ride now. It's about 11:41, almost 12 o'clock. So we're gonna go probably until, let's see, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, probably about 7 o'clock or so today. It's a Sunday. It may be a little slow, maybe a lot of airport runs, but for the most part, it's gonna be pretty straightforward. So let's go ahead and see if we can get a ride here real quick. Okay, so I've been online for about 5 or 6 minutes now. Haven't gotten anything yet, but we're gonna be due diligent, and we're just gonna drive around a little bit and see what we can get. It's like you can feel every bump. Let's see if we can go through the gulch right now. Typical day driving for Uber. Ain't really much going on. And this is just how it is. Come on, dude. Don't do that. Alright, so we just did our first ride. It's been like almost an hour in between rides now. But we made our first $7.77. So, you know, maybe we might make some money today. Maybe we won't. Who knows? We'll just continue to do what we've been doing. So, there's that. My balls are so... Oh, little doggy, you may want to watch out there. You hit. I ain't seen no good properties out here at all. What is going on here? We are on the hunt today. This is a real estate channel. Why in the world are you driving for Uber? Well, because I'm a special type of person. That's why. So we just bought $10 worth of gas. So we're actually negative $2 or $3. My math is kind of off today. Yeah. We made $7, but we spent $10. So now we're actually negative $2. And there is just a lot of rundown properties here in this area. for a gay. That's what you are. We're pulling up into the mall today because we just had a drop off at the Gaylord Hotel, the Opryland Hotel. So now we're going to go to the mall because I'm hungry and it's lunchtime for me. It's about 1 o'clock here. Now come on, dude, you can drive any day now. You can drive any day. You know, it don't take much to drive. Just put your foot on the gas and go. I don't know how some of these people got their licenses, but they should have revoked them. They should have revoked them. There's no reason for you to drive like that. I'm sorry. There is no excuse for that. That is just trifling. And then you begin to see how big this place actually is. Like, this place is huge. This is by far the biggest mall in Tennessee right here. And I want to find somewhere to park at some point, eventually. If any more idiots don't pull out in front of me, we may actually find a place to park. I'm going to start looking right about now. I've already found my first space. Didn't even have to look long either, because I can usually park next to one of these stupid trucks. Met a girl, and I took her here one time. Never heard back from her. Bought her all kinds of stuff. Ooh, there's a spot right there. Get it, get it, get it! Oh, that's the 7. Oh, that's some bull. That's some bullshit. Motherfucker. You knew damn good where I wanted that damn spot, and you took it. Bald head bastard. It ain't even that crucial. It's just the principle, though. The principle of the matter. It's the reason why I'm upset. It is the principle. We're gonna park right here. Boom! Oh shit. I need to stop playing like that. Alright, so here we go. Let's see if we can find some good stuff to eat in here. See if we can find some good stuff to eat, because boy, I'm hungry. I've been driving for like 2 hours now, and it's time to get something to eat. And I made all of $30.90, so I'm gonna get something to eat. And, let's see, where do I want to go? I think I want to go over here. Alright, it's time for the grand thing here. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at it. Look at it. I'm going to dive into this. That food is good as hell. I want to see what they got in the kitchen store. See what they got over here that I need. And look at this, they got some herb strippers. I've never heard of these before. What do they do exactly? You know, I don't even know why I came in here. What do I need out of this store anyway? Ooh, here's a tennis racket. No, I'm just kidding. This is a bug zapper. I wonder how does this work? You just swat at the bugs, like playing tennis? Hey, let me know which one I should get. Should I get this? These portfolio, or should I go with these right here and go for the open mat? And I think that's what that says. I don't know. Which one do you think I should get? Leave a comment below. I'm thinking I'm gonna go with these right here though. These junks is clean. These junks are clean. Now how much do these things cost? That's the real question right there. That's the real question. And I ain't seeing no price tags yet. So you know it's probably expensive as hell. I know these are $99. Alright, so I'm leaving the mall now. Heading back to my car. And we're going to see if we can continue making this good money today. since it's so lucrative to do Ubers, we're gonna see how much money we can make today. Let's get to it. So it's about 2:22 in the afternoon, and we got a long ways to go. So we only made like $30 today. I've already spent 10. I spent another 10 on that food. So really, we only made like $10 today, which is not good. And I've been out here for about 3 hours now. So something has to happen here. It has to get busy at some point. So hopefully in the next hour or so, it'll get busy, and we can make some real money. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Hey, you guys want to know the best way to drive for dollars? Drive for Uber. That's the best way. This is the best way. And you just know somebody's going to say some shit. So we'll continue to drive down the street until we find some trips. We find some houses. We're going to find one or the other. If you drive through a neighborhood enough times, you will find some good properties. There's one. No, it's not a good one either. The problem is this is too good of a neighborhood, and they don't really have any vacant houses. Anything that looks out of the ordinary, which is bad news for us. So we need to find some good deals, and soon. There are some properties around here. Oh, hold up. Wait, we just found one. Let's back that thing up. Let's back it up. Hello. What is this? You guys probably can't see this, but I'm going to show you anyway. This right here is what we're looking for. See the notes on the windows? That's the prime real estate. So you'll probably notice that I put ABB on the side of this, and that stands for abandoned. I have different codes for different things. ABB is abandoned. FSBO is FSBO. FR is for rent. And I have another one too. I forget what it is, but burn down. BD is for burn down. But ABB is mostly what we find driving for dollars. That's abandoned houses. A good little thing. Good little tip, I guess. When you're riding down, I always carry a notebook like this. I usually carry a pen with me. And just when you're driving out, hey, you never know. You may come across your next deal. So we're up to about 4 trips now, and it is 3:35 in the afternoon. So we've been online now for about 4 hours, and we've only made like $40. So there's that. So that should give you some idea of how lucrative this is. We're making about, on average, $10 an hour. But let's go ahead and continue with it, and let's see how far we can go, and see how much money we can get. So I just did my 5th ride today, and right now we're up about 50. And it's like 354. So we're doing okay. It's a long ways away from the $100 I was gonna make today, but it is what it is. So we're gonna go until maybe like 5, and we're just gonna play it by ear. And if we don't make anything by then I'm just gonna go ahead and go offline and go home. Alright, so there's a couple of them in this neighborhood right here. I just came across one that has plywood over the windows, but looks like somebody lives there. This one on here on the side, however, I don't think anyone lives there. 2004. Got it. Alright, let's see if we can find some other ones on this street. This isn't a very big street, so we're just going to go to the end here. And we don't find nothing, we're just going to pull on out. Ooh, there's something over here. So you got to have an eye for this stuff. You got to have an eye for it. So if you ain't got no eye for this, you're going to miss out. That ain't nothing. That's a dump. It ain't no abandoned house. I see the cars in the driveway. We want to go for really just abandoned houses. I sound like a robber right now, don't I? We want to go scope out the abandoned houses there, and then when they're not home, we're just going to run up in there and take their stuff. Oh, we got a ride. What in the world is going on here? Picking up Shane. Awesome. So let's go ahead and turn around, pick up Shane. But I gotta turn all the way around again to pick somebody up. This is ridiculous. I can't stand this. This is unacceptable. This is unacceptable. Unacceptable behavior. And I won't stand for it.